Sushmita birthday today.
Mika.
Happy birthday. Nag-rush na sila. Gusto niya. Ayun. Ay.
What time is it? Stupid.
Still pain. I don't
We have
know.
learned this day.
Cancel everything. Supposed to be you're gonna order your cake. You're gonna get your cake, but they closed. Sushmita birthday. A lot of happiness. Sushmita birthday today.
Mika.
Happy birthday, me. We're gonna check the Tita Joyce birthday gift. So, to Sushmita, happy birthday. Hope you like it from Tita Joyce.
Thank you.
Tita? Yes, magic box. You're going to put your makeup here. Here. Yes. Thank you, Tita Joyce. We're going to hospital for Toshini dentist. And then Mita, what you going to do in the hospital? To pick up her present there. Hindi na alam, may injection. 4 years old.
Alright, I go there na lang. Almost
Wait for you. Nakahap yung flag because of Governor Palacios. Yes. Hello, crying si Mita. Now can walk. Yeah, okay. Let's go. You sit down there for 15 minutes. Pumasok ng nakapants, lumabas ng nakapalda. Si Mita. What happened? Tawa-tawa ka dyan. How about other side? Can I check other side?
That's what you get. Get presents, get
Okay,
shot.
What happened?
That's what you get. Get presents, get shot.
You have a present today. Happy birthday, Mita. Happy birthday, Mita. That's your birthday gift?
Yeah. Birthday.
This is your gift. One's in the right, others in the left. Happy birthday, Mita. Uh-huh. How old are you today? Huh?
It's scary.
Yes. But you still can walk, right? Can I check if you still can walk? So you see, you can walk. Stop it. You sit there. You Inaasar mo na ko na What happened? Still pain? I don't know why. Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Why the doctor put that one? Mita, your birthday, a lot of things happened. No? Cancel everything. Supposed to be you're gonna order your cake, you're gonna get your cake, but they closed. Mita birthday, a lot of happening. Marami nakapark. Almost 2:30. Sana malagpas na ito. Ang daming ano, oh. Park sa taas. Nasa taas kami. Ang ocean doon. Mita, masakit pa yung injection ni Susmita. Ito si dentist kanina. Asan ito si Ngayon nandito kami sa taas. Ay. Sana hindi mo ano. Wala kami sa bahay. Ayan, dumarami na nasakyan. Pataas ng Capitol Hill. May nakapark din doon. Ito yung student first. School buses. What did you get? Huh? Dandelion?
Yeah.
Ang daming flowers, oh. Ang ganda. Nag-rush na sila. Kinagay sila ng pulis. There's a police there. Yung isa, dala-dala niya lahat ng aso niya. Ayun, ay.
What time is it?
2:17. Eh, may aso, oh. Mga aso. Good job.
That's mine in the car.
Yeah. Me?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot.
Many reasons to running a background check. The most important. Look, what wheels are the best B15, that's my bus. B10 is the Capitol Hill.
May camping niya.
Mas kaya dito.
There's a bus.
Nag-camping na sila.
There's a bus over here.
The waiting na ba?
Pasang.
Mine.
Enjoy.
To pray for all our needs. I know you children